Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of traveling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're discussing some exciting news from British Airways. They've just unveiled their brand new first class product, and I have to say it looks game changing. But as always, there's a catch. As a frequent British Airways flyer and gold card holder, I was particularly excited to see this announcement. So let's dive into what's new, what's impressive, and importantly, when we'll actually get to experience it. The new first class suite looks genuinely impressive, with several standout features. You'll get an ultra wide 36.5-inch seat that converts to a 79-inch fully flat bed. There's also a massive 32-inch 4000 TV screen, 60-inch curved privacy walls, creating a cocooned environment, personal luggage storage space, adjustable mood, lighting with preset scenes, and a wireless control tablet with do not disturb functionality. And if you're traveling with a friend, you'll love the buddy dining capability for center seats. What I particularly appreciate is BA's commitment to British craftsmanship. The new suites feature materials from across the UK and Ireland, including leather from Muirhead in Glasgow, fabrics from Ripley and Hainsworth in Yorkshire, and manufacturing by Collins Aerospace in Northern Ireland. Now, here's the less exciting news. We won't be seeing these suites until mid-2026, when they'll debut as part of BA's A380 retrofit program. Initially, they'll only be available on these retrofitted aircraft, so it could be quite some time before we see widespread availability across the fleet. While we can't book these specific suites yet, it's worth noting that first-class redemptions typically start from 68,000 Avios off-peak. You can check exact Avios requirements for your route using our How Many Avios Points calculator. As someone who regularly flies per first, these improvements are welcome and much needed. The current first-class product, while comfortable, has fallen behind competitors. This new suite appears to address many common criticisms, particularly around privacy and personal space. The spacious 32-inch screen is a significant upgrade from the current offering, and the personal luggage storage is a thoughtful touch that should make settling in much easier. The buddy dining feature also brings more in line with other premium carriers. However, the 2026 timeline is disappointing, with competitors like Singapore Airlines, Qatar Airways, and even Cathay Pacific continuously upgrading their premium products, the risks falling further behind in the interim. The bottom line is that this looks to be a significant step forward for British Airways' premium offering. While the wait until 2026 is longer than we'd like, the improvements seem worth the wait. The focus on British craftsmanship and attention to detail suggests BA is serious about reclaiming its position as a leader in premium travel. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Smart Wave Points. If you're looking to experience BA first class in the meantime, don't forget to use our BA tier point calculator to maximize your status earnings, and keep an eye on our newsletter for the best first class award availability alerts. Safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next episode.